How to make rules channel on Discord. Hi everybody, in this video I'll show you the procedure to make rules channel on Discord. Here's how you could do. Open up a browser. On the web address you want to type in discord.com and log in to your account. As logged in, you'll then be directed to the home page. Here you want to go ahead and locate the server for which you want to go ahead and add rules. What you have to do is, after which you simply want to click on the server settings from the top left. Go to server settings. As you go to server settings, scroll down a bit and you want to go ahead and click on enable community. What next you want to do is click on get started, and you have to make sure to verify it. So click on the next button and all that. Once you've done it, so click on next. After you've actually done it, so you want to read the terms and condition, click on the next button. So mark on the terms and condition, click on finish setup. After which, save the changes. And now then what you need to do is go to safety setup from the page. Then here you want to come to DM and spam protection, go to edit section. Make sure to mark on the terms and condition all of these. And here you could go to verify level and you could go to high as well and click on the save button. Then here you will be able to see this interface where you could go ahead and add a description, what sort of rules that you want to create, or what is actually the purpose of the channel. So you could go ahead and add in the description, and accordingly you could follow the instructions and you'll have successfully made rules channel on your Discord. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.